Hey guys, so I'll be making a vlog again today because something mildly interesting is happening in my life. So today I'm gonna be meeting my friends after like 8 months, and we all got into reading and shit, and we like really start reading like actual books, novels, and that's why we decided we'll go and buy some novels together. And yeah, so I'm gonna vlog it. That's all. I used to follow Tej's blog, and I used to find it really interesting how passionately she talks about books, like way too passionately. What the fuck? Who starts an Instagram page about books? But you can go follow her. I'll put the link in the description. Also, Punmya gave me like really good book suggestions, and we'll talk about the books later in this video. So if y'all also want to read, y'all can read along with us. Okay. So anyways, I'll see you. I'll see you when I reach there. Bye. So guys, I don't have a travel montage because I was riding the scooty and it's impossible to record while riding the scooty. So anyways, if y'all want it, yeah, and I reached Parla.
Hi everyone. Am I audible? Yes.
I think
exactly
so.
are we doing here?
She's giving an intro for the book thingy.
Yeah. So welcome back to Zed's channel. I know y'all missed him, but it's me doing the intro instead.
Talk louder, Tej.
It's me doing the intro instead. So we're at Parla East at a second-hand bookstore.
Yeah.
And it's full of like magical second-hand books. So all of us decided to come and lockdown and shit. We don't have anything to do. No, actually we do have to study. But
Yeah.
anyway, we all wanted books. So we all picked books for each other.
Yeah, so guys, so because the second-hand book had like a lot of options and none of them were categorized into types or anything, so we just had to choose from a big heap of books. What we did is one of us just closed our eyes and moved our finger over the books. The second one randomly shouted stop, and whichever book it stopped on, the third person had to read that book. So we did it chance by chance, and depending on that, we chose our books.
No, you can't look. He's looking.
Oh yeah, I looked. Oh my god.
He's
Sorry,
looking.
sorry. No, I looked.
Like, what the fuck?
Honestly, I didn't look at it.
Sure.
No, I
I've
didn't
already
know
read them
Twilight.
though, so no point. Start again. No, you're looking.
Stop.
Sounds
Damn.
fun, man. I
Looks
don't know.
cool, man.
Yeah, it actually
Good
looks
for
cool.
you, man.
No, I haven't read it. Stop. To love again.
What?
Is this like a series book though? I don't know. He's the mutant leader of Rome. Together they rule the house of San Gregoria.
I think I have this.
Oh, that's a book called Ed Sheeran.
What? That's your book.
Punmya, these aren't really erotic novels, huh?
What are you doing?
He's recording. Zed, do you need those? Zed?
I don't know, if I find a good one, why not?
The Still Storm.
This can't be an erotic novel.
Maybe it is. You never know.
Guys, so I came back home. I couldn't record more because we went to eat something and then like we were just chilling, so I didn't record a lot of stuff. But yeah, like I got two books. One is this book. It's about a guy who's like got good photographic memory, is good at maths and science. He's a kid, he's like 15 years old, and he uses those skills to solve the murder of a dead dog, his neighbor's dead dog. Yeah, so I mostly bought it because it has a dead dog and dead dogs are interesting. Yeah. So I'll tell you all how it is later once I finish. The second book that I bought is 1984. It's a dark dystopian type of book similar to Brave New World, and yeah, I'll read it and tell you all how it is. Guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I know it was kind of boring because who talks about books. But yeah, that was a vlog. Anyways, so next time if you want a kind of interesting vlog, though, we can talk about Punmia's missing nipple or something. I think he has a missing nipple. He has only one nipple, so the other one, no one knows about it. So we'll keep a treasure hunt and look for that or something. So if you want that, you put that down in comment, that do a treasure hunt for Punmia's missing nipple, and then we'll do that next vlog. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll upload another vlog because it's Diwali, so why not? And yeah, I'll upload it. I promise I'll upload it. I'm not lying, okay? So please subscribe. And remember, foot reveal and at 200 subs, okay? So tell your friends to subscribe if you want to look at my foot. Anyways, guys, bye. अरे कट ना यार.